Good day everyone, I am Makabangon Q. Dadya. I will report the case of United States versus Julio Bustos, 13 Phil 690, February 1, 1909. Article 354, Requirement for Publicity. Every defamatory imputation is presumed to be malicious, even if it be true, if no good intention and justifiable motive for making it is shown, except in the following cases. Number 1, a private communication made by any person to another in the performance of any legal, moral, or social duty. And number 2, a fair and true report made in good faith, without any comments or remarks of any judicial, legislative, or other official proceedings which are not of confidential nature, or of any statement, report, or speech delivered in said proceedings, or of any other act performed by public officers in the exercise of their functions. The facts of this case is Julio Bustos was charged with libel for sending communication to the Secretary of Justice, Mr. Ide. The alleged libelous communication contained statements against the official integrity of the judge of the Court of First Instance of the Province of Ilocos Sur, of the Fiscal of said province, and the Clerk of said court. They were accused of receiving bribes by Bustos from the Narvacan murder case. Defendant contends that the communication is privileged and was made in good faith. The issue of this case is whether or not said communication can be regarded as privileged communication and therefore not libelous. It was held that no, in order that a private communication, libelous in character, shall be privileged, certain conditions must exist. Letter A, it must be in good faith. B, it must be in the performance of a duty, which duty must be legal, moral, or social. And C, it must be made solely with the fair and reasonable purpose of protecting. Under letter C, number 1, the interest of the person making the communication, or number 2, the interest of the persons to whom the communication is made. In the present case, the communication, a part of which is found in paragraph C and D in the complaint, was a private one. It was made with the evident intention of having said judge and prosecuting attorney removed from office. It seems clear that the communication was malicious, was not made in good faith, nor was it made with the sole purpose of protecting either the interest of the defendant or for protecting the interest of the Secretary of Finance and Justice, and is therefore not a privileged communication. Julio Bustos was sentenced to be imprisoned for a period of 6 months, to pay a fine of 100 pesos and to pay the cost. Specifically, libel under the revised penal code is punished with prison correctional in its minimum period, which is from 6 months and 1 day to 2 years and 4 months, and medium period, which is from 2 years, 4 months, and 1 day to 4 years and 2 months, or a fine ranging from 200 pesos to 6,000 pesos or both. Thank you.